This program, as I said, have an application nature, something that deal with the user take choices and return back answers. To develop something like that, I first started with an open while loops that start with printing bunch of menu option for the user, enter 1 to do that, 2, 3, and so on. Then I take the user input from the user. We need always to do some kind of verification for the user input. So one kind of verification here, what are we expecting? We are either expecting the 1 or a 2 or 3. If the choice is none of that, we print a message and just do a continue. Otherwise, we have a check over if it's 1, if it is 2, else break to terminate the program. If the choice is 1, we read an integer and then compute our formula sum equal n times n minus 1 over 2. Is it n times n minus 1 or n divide plus 1? Let's put n with 2. 2 times 1 with 1 over 2 is 1, but the answer is 3. This is wrong. It should be n plus 1 here. Sorry for that. In the second choice, we know that the user would like to evaluate some expression. So we ask him, like here, the expression styles, like here, like for example 2 plus 3, 2 to the power 4, and so on. We here started to read the input from the user and split it to 3 items, number 1, operation number 2, but then number 1 and number 2 will be strings. So we will convert them to integers. And after that, we have here the result, and then we started to make an if-else condition over the condition. Is it plus? Is it minus? Is it asterisk? Is it power operator? And so on. Finally, I'm having here like a special handling for the division integer or the float division. We know the whole problem happens if number 2 is 0. So we are going to make a check against that. If it is 0, we apologize. Otherwise, we compute the result either from this direction or from this direction. And here I'm printing the result, and that's it.